Hi guys, welcome back to Finpact. Today I want to cover what on earth is going on with the AMC stock and how it's absolutely exploded after the backing of Reddit users going against the Wall Street people who are shorting them. So in this video, we're going to look at what has been happening, what the price prediction is this another GameStop type of situation, and how sustainable is this even going to be, in my personal opinion. So the reason the AMC price has increased so much is because a lot of Reddit users have come together and decided we're going to buy AMC and drive the stock price up, like what happened with GameStop. And this has caused the price to rally when many Wall Street hedge funds and different investment firms have actually shorted AMC. What that means is they believe that the price of AMC was going to go down because of the fundamentals of that business were no longer going to grow and apply in the world they thought, kind of like GameStop. So they therefore shorted it and had trading positions where they believed the price would decrease. However, Reddit users came together and ended up causing the price to rally. And many of these shorters from Wall Street have been absolutely burnt in the process. So just an overview, this is what the subreddit did, like what they did for, GameStop, Blockbuster, Bed Bath & Beyond, and AMC. It's like some kids remember their favorite places in the mall 20 years ago and decided to invest in them. So, just for like jokes almost. And then, the price has exploded. So the price has just been sort of exploded. And what this is called is a short squeeze. The GameStop saga will be counted as one of the most epic short squeezes ever. So let's see if the same can happen with AMC. So AMC Entertainment is basically like a cinema chain, and what Wall Street Bets on Reddit has basically helped it outlast COVID by getting funding. When people buy shares, that gives that company funds, capital, and it's basically helped them sell their shares at prices significantly higher than they were in 2020. And this has allowed the company to survive 1.3 billion in a negative free cash flow last year and gear back up for reopening. That's really sweet, actually. Almost like the Reddit community came together to save this cinema chain. It's kind of cute. I love it. The combination of the company selling a lot of shares to shore up its balance sheet and provide cash to survive its business being ground to halt with a stock that has been driven much higher creates a situation where the elevator that took the stock up could easily see a return trip down. Again, this is sort of what happens when the prices behind stocks is based on speculation rather than the fundamentals. A lot of the frenzy we're seeing in things like GameStop, in some crypto coins, in stocks like AMC, are based on people coming together as a community to drive the price up. The price isn't because that actual company is worth those values. So that's why I think it's a very speculative, risky investment when you're looking at these sorts of investments, because they're not really based on fundamentals. They're based on a bit of a joke. So even before the pandemic shut down theaters, AMC's market cap fell by 49%, from 1.48 billion to 747 million. And this was in 2018 end till around end of 2019. And it fell an additional 67% during 2020. So if we look at the prices, this is around 2014. We saw the peaks around 2015 and 2017, where the price was around $34, $32 per share. And now, and then in around 2020, it fell to, around $3, $2.27. So some very low levels until we saw this short squeeze happen and the Reddit users buy this stock and everyone coming together, which has driven its price up to so far $31. If they continue with their support in buying AMC Entertainment, then it will definitely continue going to the upside. But this is why it's really risky giving price predictions. I mean, it all just depends on whether that community will continue trying to get users to buy more of the stock. It's not really based on the stock coming out with new digitalized cinema, holographic, futuristic stuff. It's based on purely speculation. It's kind of entertaining that we live in this era that things like this even happen. Also, we're talking about the short squeeze that's coming up. For those people who don't already know what a short squeeze is, I want to give you guys the Investopedia definition. So a short squeeze is an unusual condition that triggers rapidly rising prices in a stock or tradable security. So what ends up happening is, for a short squeeze to occur, the security must have an unusual degree of short sellers holding positions in it. So a lot of Wall Street having positions in AMC stock. The short squeeze begins when the price jumps higher unexpectedly. So this is all the Reddit users coming together together to cause the price to go higher. So then what happens is that the short sellers coincidentally decide to cut losses and exit their positions. Obviously, the support in the price is given by the Reddit users and everyone coming together and driving out these short sellers. But remember that it is very volatile. Imagine if all these short sellers leave, and that's a big percentage of people who thought the price was going to fall down. So if they leave, then the stock price is now purely based on just speculation driving it upwards. And that speculation can stop at any minute. People can start taking profits and deciding, okay, I've made a lot of profit, I'm going to cash out, which will cause the price to tumble, especially because there are not really any fundamentals supporting that price. So despite the fact that most of it is driven by speculation in the Reddit community, driving the price up, it says in this article that is pretty bullish is that meme stock AMC extends its rally. And it jumps by 19% as theatre chain sells new shares to an investor. So the theatre chain, like I said, was able to gain capital by selling its shares that were now higher in value, that will help keep it afloat post the pandemic and how it had a negative free cash flow. So this resulted in the price of the shares to increase. So this stock sale was to Mudrick Capital Management. And like I said, this gives the theatre company funds, and they said they will use these funds for potential acquisitions, upgrading its theatres and deleveraging its balance sheet, which is really helping AMC stay afloat. So guys, what do you think about the AMC stock price? Are you guys investing? Also remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for purely entertainment purposes and just my own personal opinion. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in anything. Also, I have some links where you can get some free stocks when you deposit on certain platforms. It's all in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button down below and help push this video out so more people who can't normally see this video get to see this video. And if you haven't already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down below as I make new videos every single week, and also hit that bell notification so that you get informed on this time-sensitive information. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!